Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at the second derivative. You probably already know what's going on, but just because we're going to do a bit of work with the second derivative, we just better check. So let's say we have a function fx equals, let's just say cos x plus e to the minus x cubed or something like that. So, f dash x means the first derivative. We're just going to differentiate it. So the derivative of cos is minus sine. Derivative of e to the minus x is minus e to the minus x. And derivative of minus x cubed minus 3x squared. So that's the first derivative. And the second derivative is just the derivative of the derivative. We differentiate a second time. So the derivative of minus sine x is minus cos x. Derivative of minus e to the minus x becomes positive e to the minus x, and this will be minus 6x. That's really all there is to it. I just wanted to make sure you understood what we meant when we say second derivative. It's the derivative of the derivative. So remember, we've looked at this before. We had the first function being displacement, the first derivative is velocity, and the second derivative is acceleration. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest math in the world. Have a great day.